The stars about our wheels so pretty night. Where can Scudder take us higher? We've been waiting in the shadows through the highs and lows, the endless night. A spark in the silence, the bullseye calls our name. The market shakes, but we rise all the same. When the half gap fades and the fear takes hold, we've got the fire, the story foretold. Take us higher, break through the bands tonight. Lift us stronger, burning in the fight. Take us higher, MHP's on fire. Rocket scooter, take us higher. Every chart is a river, every trade a song.
Need my lunch real quick, guys. Welcome back to the show.
Can't go wrong. Through the noise and the breakdowns, our faith remains. Resilience is the engine running through our veins. When the screens go red and the bulls feel pain, we rise again, we know the name. Take us higher, break through the bands tonight. Lift us stronger, burning in the fight. Take us higher, MHP's on fire. Rocket scooter, take us higher. Take us higher, break through the bands tonight. Lift us stronger
I know, dude. I'm like dying of hunger because IDOC isn't here.
in the fight. Take us higher, MHP's on fire. Rocket scooter, take us higher. Rocket scooter, take us higher.
Yeah, 445 is the new hedge pressure from the new model. Right? This is from the Discord. This is the new model. It's fucking good, right? How do y'all like that? The live cut, right? This track is dope. Dude, I love this track. It's really good. There's another song that somebody made. I totally missed it this morning. It's actually pretty good. Where did he put it? Hold on.
Wakes, Matt's at the helm, no time for breaks. P&L green, but his blood runs red.
Dude, I'm so crazy about hot sauce. I don't know. Do you guys like Tabasco? I like the green Tabasco sauce. It's so good. I'm ready for the bottom. Ooh, so good. I like the red Tabasco, but I like the green one better. I literally, like, I'll go to the fridge and I'll get Frank's Red Hot and I'll just pour it in my hand. I'll just drink it, dude. IDOC thinks I'm so weird. You don't need anything to put on it, man. I'll just drink hot sauce straight up. It's so good. I crave it. Yeah, the green one is like sour. It's not even that spicy. I think the green one goes better with like breakfast tacos and stuff than the red one does. No, it's not that spicy. It's just like really sour. That's why I like it. So 23,445 level. This is monthly hedge pressure dynamic from the new model. Pretty solid, right? I'm excited to see how it actually works. Monthly hedge pressure dynamic has been way down here, and then we tapped it and bounced, right? Pretty cool. That's impressive. I'm gonna pat myself on the back that I like seeing the new model have really strong actionability. As some of you guys said in chat, thank you. That is I'm very impressed with myself. Have I had Chipotle Tabasco? I have, yeah, I have. It's also very good. You guys can't argue with that though. Like, this is fucking great.
Use whale, the market's a war. Matt's in the pit, he's ready for more. Red, white,
oh, that's, you guys nailed it. Look at this. Mark had this one. Look. Saved by the Bell. Zach and Kelly. Matt and IDOC. That's pretty great. Yeah, this is a good song, by the way. I think Anthony made this one. This one was dope. It's nice, right? That market's loving that 23.5 though. That's pretty solid though. Cat active line, usually you test from below, and the market's pretty solid once you get back to it. Rocket Scooter Cosmic Symphony is an ethereal trance journey through the markets written in the stars, blending simmering synths, celestial arpeggios, and orchestral swells. The track unfolds like a galactic performance where liquidity maps become constellations, signals drift like echoes through the void, and every trade resonates across time. It carries listeners from the first spark of starlight into the final fade into infinity, a majestic meditation on resilience, rhythm, cosmic flow of trading. This is Rocket Scooter's Symphony Among the Stars. This is dynamic monthly hedge pressure. It's a number that our model is performed after previous day's session. So yesterday after market, before market opens, we give out these numbers. They're reversal pivots. It's not on your rocket scooter. It's right now a new model that I've made for the overnight. This is the overnight dynamic from the Discord. It's not automated in the platform yet. Right now it's in its testing phase. I'm testing it before I release it. It's a new high volume pivot model. Yeah. So it won't be in the platform until I'm convinced to use it. And today's pretty damn convincing, right? We've had a couple weeks of the data, actually almost a month already. And it's been really solid. I'll review the data with you guys right now. Check it out. So NASDAQ it's been utilized as a pivot for a while. When you break it, it falls. You break it, it falls. When you hit it, it bounces is what we're looking to see. This is the second time we've had pinpoint accuracy on the bounce like that on a sell-off day. Oops, where'd it go? It's been really nice. Here, there was the pivot when it sold off. And then here's the catch pivot at the bottom. And it's been low for like the last 3 days. You guys remember this? This wasn't a fluke. That's where it fell to and supported. It's neat to see. That's the goal of it. And S&P is also pivoting there. It's been really nice. S&P pivoting, it not overshot, but it played there. And S&P is the kind of a similar boat. Guys, hit that like button. I forgot to do the TPT giveaway today. I'll do TPT giveaway this afternoon. You know, Grok never even picked our winners in Discord and Twitter. I gotta still give you guys the My Funded Futures accounts whenever Grok finally answers us. All right, so the way the music writing contest works is we have a songwriting channel, song submission. You submit a song in the Discord. We're gonna play them all over time, and we're gonna vote on which ones we do and don't like. I'm gonna download them all, and you guys just thumbs up or thumb down. It'll be like a general audience meter. Now, whether it's a song for the stream, a song we like, my goal with this is to do a couple of things. Number one is we're going to revamp the stream, right? New graphics, new overhaul, new intro, new outro, new segments in the middle of the day, bring other guests on the stream. We're going to revamp the stream, so we need a lot of music. So stream music. Number two is we need playlists, right? To have fun playlists. Just music to jam out. Normally I play like the lo-fi stuff playlist to listen to while we trade, right? Number three is like specific songs for specific reasons, for comedy. Like an example is we need the Whoosh fan song or something to pump up the market or something, whatever, right? If I use your song for any of these things, you're going to win a prize. I feel like 30 or 40 people are going to win a prize because there's so much music and it's all good. Maybe most of you guys make the playlist, some maybe make to the stream, so I make the comedy, whatever. But we're going to pick some songs, and the winner is going to win something. And the top grand prizes are going to be lifetime memberships to Rocket Scooter. It means like a $4,000 thing. Consolation prizes, I'm going to try to get one of my partners to sponsor it. So maybe we'll give away like 50, I don't know, accounts. Maybe Tradeify will sponsor it or My Funder or somebody. And then we'll get we'll give you guys like some, maybe 10, the top 10 will get like straight to funded, and maybe like the next 20 will get like my funded futures pros or something. We'll go get a bunch of prop accounts to give away, these consolation prizes and stuff like that. But anyways, the idea is you're going to go to the song submission channel, and you're going to upload a song and upload an image, upload a graphic. So graphics too, right? We can also give away prizes for graphics if the graphic is fun and graphics cool. We're going to have fun uses of all of that with the new stream format. And it starts now. So if you guys go submit something in the song submission channel in our Discord, please. And also, people just submit songs all the time just because it keeps the stream fresh and it's funny. We're always listening to new songs, new pictures, new whatever. And it kind of keeps us having fun while we trade. So with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download all the songs and make a playlist. And then on the stream, we're going to play them, and you guys are going to do a general thumbs up or thumbs down. Whether you like the song or don't like the song, you think the song is good for the stream, just be like, I like it, don't like it, and I'll gauge the audience. If half the people hate it, we scrap it. So first thing is we're going to listen to all of them, right? And we'll do this in the afternoons. And then after we listen to all of them, we're going to vote, we like or don't like them. I'm going to keep the ones we all vote. Then we'll have a second round, a stricter round. Like we'll listen to it under different circumstance. I'll be like, okay, stream music, like it, don't like it, sort of thing. Playlist, or we'll have a category for like rock and metal, and a category for hip hop, and a category for dance, and category for country, category for whatever. And then we'll make like our playlist. And then whatever you guys like, we keep. Whatever you guys don't like, we throw away. A lot of it's, you know, generic AI sound. You don't have to like everything. But if it's your taste of music, we'll let you guys pick. And at the end, we'll hopefully land on a bunch of songs. We'll try to create like a top 10, and then we'll vote on the winners. The winners is like the best all-around song, whatever it is. We like it. We love it. You know, show me your P&L. Like, these are songs people have submitted for this contest. We already use them because they're so funny. It's a good site to make AI music. People use Suno, I think, is very common. We already have a winner. Maybe you're wrong. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. It's probably like already my favorite because I listen to it just to listen to it. But that's because it's my taste of music. But there are a lot of good songs in there for whatever reason. They're all fun. The 80s songs are great. And we're going to make a playlist of all these different ones. I mean, we have like, look. We have a graduate song for people who graduate Rocket Scooter University. Whenever you walk up to get your diploma that you can frame and put on your wall, the chorus in the chapel is singing this song as you graduate. We have everything. Somebody said, Matt, thank you for everything you offer. You're a really wonderful person. Well, appreciate you being here, man. It's really nice to say. Thank you. You got a video of ICT being kidnapped by Tobias and Parsons. Was that the name of the people? You'd like to upload the video, but that's not a song. That's okay, but that'll automatically win. That video will automatically win the contest. Some say the Rocket Scooter University degree is the only degree you'll ever need. Frame it proudly. Put it right between your Top Step payout certificates and your Top Step letter jacket. Market, please don't die today as a banger. Yeah, absolutely. What class did I do last night was resilience. And by the way, today I have part 2 of my dentist stuff, so there's no boot camp again today. I gotta go get dentist stuff done. Right, so I have to cut this stream out early too. Can you put it on your resume? You can. You can tell everybody in your resume you have a degree from Rocket Scooter University. Put it right next to your work history of being a funded trader with Top Step. Make sure you let everybody know that you managed $1 million worth of paper account. That'll really impress the hiring coordinators. Make sure you let people know you managed NASDAQ and S&P futures. You were the head of strategy for $1 million of funded accounts. You managed $1 million whole fake dollars. And you'll very turn some heads at any place you want to hire. You were a funded trader with Top Step Trading. We're graduating here. It's not church. Well, we're going to a prestigious private university. So now you're graduating from Rock Student University. It's like kind of like Notre Dame. It's like a school church, right? You are graduating in the chapel. Yeah, so there you go. That's it. Had some good songs. What was this one? Oh yeah, that was a good one. The little mat in my head. All right, market was bouncing for a little bit. Give me some hope. Oh, is that you actually have the real video? Is that AI generated or is that actually a real video? You put Matt as a reference for all your job applications. No wonder you haven't been able to get a job. Every time somebody calls me, like they put you as a reference, and I'm just like, fuck that guy. That guy sucks. My bad. Is that AI? Okay, let's watch it. Oh. Suno AI, S-U-N-O. A lot of people use that. Can you write music in ChatGPT as well, right? Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait, this is great. Hold on. Okay, so we found it, guys. We found the video. Here it is. Get in the van. What do you guys like? I like how he's just standing there like there's a van. I'm just gonna stand next to this van. You know, like whatever. Nothing's happening. Get in here. And this is where it all started, guys. That's really funny. That's where the secrets. That's where the secrets were manifest and discussed, right? Somebody made the AI story of the was it Tobias and Parsons or whatever. I like the story. I think it's fun. Is it real? Probably not. Is it a tall tale? Probably so. But so was Paul Bunyan, right? Like, come on. You have to think of it like this, right? It's a fun story. It's a legend. How many legendary sort of stories do you have? Superhero-like stories in trading. Is it real? Probably not. But it's fun to tell. It's a legend that got out of hand. Right up there with Trump University. Oh, heck yeah, man. Trust me, the easiest way to not get a job is to show people your university graduation. I would bet your life savings that story isn't real. Oh, yeah. But even though it's not real, it's fun to tell. Just like, you know, X-Men and Avengers aren't real, but hey. It's a fun legend. Legends never die, according to the song. Rocket Scooter gets shit done. Guys, we're almost at 40k subs. That's crazy. I'm super excited. That's incredible. We started off this year with 8,000 subs. 8,000. After 10 years of being a YouTube channel, 8,000. And then in 1 year, we go to 38,000. Like, literally, it was like slow and steady growth. Build Rocket Scooter, and then this year was like... pretty cool. But people say you gotta grind it out. You gotta grind it out. It's only a matter of time. But thank you guys for all the support, man. It feels cool to see it all come to fruition, especially like you guys genuinely like what we've made. That makes me happy as a chef, right? I made something and you guys like it, you know. I'm like, this is cool. People like my food. It's because you got here this year, Matthias. That's right. Matthias got us to the point where we need to go. When I look at when trading, so I use gamma exposure levels when trading. We do high volume pivots whenever we're watching the charts. The algorithm shows me where support and resistances are going to be. And I essentially, I'll use the flow path to make decisions off of, and then I'll balance my position based on the guidelines at the top right. Gamma exposure levels provide high volume pivots, and flow direction gives me direction to flow. This is based on hedging models. It's a whole different style of trading. Is there a fundamental reason I usually trade NASDAQ instead of ES? And I don't usually trade NASDAQ instead of ES. I usually trade whatever gives the better opportunity. And lately, NASDAQ has been giving the better opportunity for months, for whatever reason. My nose keeps itching. Today, a catalyst is active. So below this pink line, I'm usually going to kind of sit out and stay on the sidelines. One of our high volume pivots did pivot here. And then, of course, the market is bouncing. But this is kind of in the no trade zone. I don't really know if I want to do much, but I ideally would like the market to be above here and keep going. Monthly resilience, weekly resilience is negative. So you can see that the blue is flagged as resistance. As we saw all morning when we hit the blue, the probability of it breaking was really high because blue resilience was negative. So the algo is telling me it's resistance at blue and not support. So right here, the support did fail. As expected, resilience is really nice. And I told you guys, right? Whenever you follow the blue, you can make the decision to maybe take a trade here. But we look, right when you touch the blue, your eyes go down here and say, nope, it's negative. So let me size down on the long. Well, when you're irrational, you already size down on the long one time, small trade only. Then you lost the confluence. Small becomes a sit out, right? My decision making with my pivots is exactly that. You guys see what I'm saying? So that's a good song. Good song. I dig it. Go all the way up to the top. Now I'll have to download all the songs so we can get them all because there's a million of them. But there's a lot of really good ones. I like the rocket scooter emojis. Need a Chef Matt AI image. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do with all like the Matt AI images. I could just like cycle them through on the stream for you guys. Do me a favor and smash that like button, friends. Market selling off to VIX expiration is obviously something we're seeing today. Kind of an event that happens the Tuesday before the third Wednesday of every month. That cat active line is always like, you know, sit out, better safe than sorry sort of thing. Make them the background of your chart. That'd be kind of cool. Somebody made a really good AI image of me and they sent it to me in DM, but let me show it to you guys. I tweeted it this morning. Kind of reminded me of my one of my favorite sayings. It's right here. Hold on, let me make it bigger. Look at this. Based on the story of when I talked about my glasses getting broken. And then they were like, you know, you're standing on a, you know, this is basically Wall Street and gurus and furus and everything else. And then my quote is, in the valley of the blind, the one-eyed are kings. It doesn't matter what handicap you have if everyone else is blind. You're still better. How poetic. That was fucking good. I had to tweet it. Remind you of that. Don't need it. I'm sitting on a pile of burning ashes. Even with one eye. Had to tweet it. It's one of my favorite sayings. It means it doesn't matter what handicap you have if other people are severely handicapped or severely blind, you can still overcome anything with a small handicap. How high and low can resilience get? It pegs at 100 and negative 100, so it's pegged out. I love these lyrics. Hold on. This is a song making fun of you know, your typical, you know, guru crap. Timothy Chalamet is going to play me in the Rocket Scooter movie. Not a bad choice. This emoji strategy is creating gains nonstop. People out there pay $5,000 for a toolkit of emojis and colored lines and emojis. That was a good song. Who came up with that one? Oh, that was Tech Trader. See, Catalyst active. Remember, market's crazy. Don't trust anything you see. Emojis. This is why cat active, we sit out, right? Don't trust anything you see. Market's crazy. Yeah, wait till tomorrow. I would say today, as kind of like crummy as it sounds, waiting till tomorrow is not a bad idea. That was a good song. Okay, hold on. That was a good song too. Hold on. The monk chat. Catalyst is active. So when the market, we teach this in our class, Catalyst is active is an indicator that's based on a philosophy we have. So when the market runs in a straight run sell-off without retracing or finding liquidity, right? Let's talk about. Usually when markets fall a little bit, they usually come up half the distance and they continue to fall. It's pretty common, or at least half the distance. Like this went up half the distance, this went up half the distance. You're looking for an event where it doesn't do that. Involves a second leg. So it proves that the market is imbalanced. And from this point down to a certain distance, if it goes this far without finding liquidity, a cat is active. The market's severely illiquid. And that distance is calculated off margin requirements. If you go to the table in Rocket Scooter, it'll tell you. Nasdaq futures down here is 209.75. So a distance of 209.75 from the starting point is a cat active. What it is a guaranteed, it's based on margin requirements. It's a guaranteed high volume pivot 100% of the time, never fails. You can predict volume from hours ahead of time. Check. It's a really strong volume pivot. And when you break it, the market kind of spirals out of control. When you break through that pivot, volume becomes kind of asymmetric and a little crazy like this, right? This is what happens. And then volume starts to pick up very rapidly as people are getting squeezed. It's not your typical sort of like decayed volume profile that you'll see, or volume chart that you'll see throughout the day. So from exactly this point in time, you can see the volume got a little chaotic. So you can prove that market structure is broken, 100% broken. So when Catalyst is active, don't trust what you see. And that's why we don't trade it. Normally the rule is, I teach this, I sit out below because of stuff like this. Look, we've been up and down. 60, 70, 80 points. It looks like the market was rallying, then all of a sudden 5 minutes later it's back down. Chaos, right? Chaos, random volume, broken structure. And you could predict that that's happening. So down here, we just call it like the no-fly zone. Just sit out and let the market do its thing. Dylan? All right, got you. Hold on. I love it, dude. Nice, 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 nice. Can you post that in the song submission channel where I keep them all in one place? You guys can see how when like Catalyst is active, the market is chaotic. It's not really trending. It's not really moving. It's chopping. Volatility is higher. So you can predict that, right? So the CAT active is part of our irrational course series we teach. We briefly covered it in the risk interval class, and I'm glad because that was like 2 classes ago, right, in the boot camp, and we covered it. Now you get to see one today, right? Now you trust, and we tell you when a CAT is active using our risk interval table. You're gonna have a really hard time chasing. You try to chase a short, got squeezed. Try to chase a long, get squeezed. It's not fun to trade. Where's Pickle? Pickle is at oh, we gotta do the giveaway. We're at 500. Pickle is at obedience school because he's been a bad dog. Bad dog. No, just kidding. He's at obedience training, so he's gone for 2 weeks. We sent Pickle to boot camp. He's gonna learn how to not bark at people, not pull the leash, not chew on stuff, learn commands. Bad boot camp for Pickle. So he's gone for 2 weeks. It's super quiet without him here. He has severe separation anxiety from iDoc. Like he can't be away from her for a minute or he'll chew up something that's ours. He's just like that. You see how Catalyst, the market just gets like wobbly and crazy? It's crazy. When you're trading, how do you know that you exactly want to make a trade in this moment? I struggle with that. Probabilities. I trade from this orange line every single time unless there's a rule that tells me to sit out. I trade from this green line every single time. I trade from this box every single time. Just basically probabilistic, right? I take trades that have high probability setups every time. All right. Let's do some giveaways today, right? I think I was going to do some take profits. Let me see what I want to give you guys. How much I love y'all today. Y'all want something cool? Because obviously, you know, no streamer out there, period, gives away as much as we do. Some people give away a lot. Some of my friends give away a lot. But we give away more than like the next 5 put together. Because not only do I give away at minimum about 200 accounts a month on my stream, I also give away about 500 a month on my other show that I do. Close to about 700, give or take, things, accounts and resets. We give away so much and we like to bless the community. Our partners know that that's what we want to do. as I work in the prop space, my goal is not to just go out there and be like, hey guys, you know, give me a big fat salary, send another Lambo sort of thing. I'm like, I would like for you to bless my community. We're the fastest growing community out there. We have one of the biggest streams out there, and we're getting bigger every day. I want more accounts to give away. If you guys want me to talk about you on my stream, give me a lot of accounts to give away. And the firms were like, at first, like, yeah, we'll give you like 5 and see how it goes. And now the firms are like, would you like 50? How about 60? So it's pretty nice. So I got a handful of take profits to give away because I love you guys to death. You're going to support the afternoon show. Why don't I give you guys 2 take profit accounts? Well, I'll give you 150Ks. I'll buy the most expensive one for y'all, or get the most expensive one for y'all. I don't have any, but I'll get them for you because I only have 50Ks to give away, but I'll give away 150Ks. How about that? 2 of them sound about right. I think they're going to cost me about $360 a pop, but I'm cool with that. So I'm about to spend $720 on you guys because I love y'all, because I want you guys to have the best experience to take profit. That's one of y'all's favorite prop firms, period. I'm going to clean everything off here. Everybody type in TPT to enter. I'll get you guys 150K counts today for coming to the afternoon show. Hold on. All right, let's play Anthony's song again. Let's talk about take profit really quick. If you guys haven't chosen a prop firm, you guys are trading with one. I'm trading with them. My favorite prop firms: Tradeify, ETF, Take Profit, My Funded Futures, FundedNext. Apex is up there, but I'm about to remove Apex from the list. And I'll probably put Funding Ticks up there. They've been talking to me. Take Profit is one of you guys' favorite firms. It's my most used code. Most used, period. What you guys like about Take Profit is they have daily payouts. This is the best part about it. You get paid out every day. The test account is end of the day drawdown. And once you go fund it, it's end of the day. When you go fund it, it's intraday. Unlimited amount of test accounts, and you can fund up to 5 of them. It's 80-20 profit split once you get funded, but you can get withdrawals on day 1. Absolutely, with no maximum on the withdrawal limit, which is kind of cool. You have to hit your buffer though to be able to get your payout. There's no daily loss limit, which is the other reason people like these guys. And there is a consistency on the eval side. It's 50%, so it's a 2-day pass, but there's no consistency, no DLL once funded, which is great. That's the combo you want as a trader. However, the intraday drawdown is like every time a firm gives, they got to take. So no DLL, no consistency, fantastic. But there's intraday drawdown. That's the give or take. But still, you guys, one of you guys' favorite, your favorite plans, and there's no scaling plan, and you can basically just trade the max amount from the start. Pretty neat to take profits, like one of you guys' favorites. I love what I see on the screen when I look at it. The only reason I don't do take profits is that I have no more capacity to trade any more accounts. I am maxed out on my ADHD here. But if I did have any space, like maybe once I get rid of my, once I get done with my Tradeify journey and I get to funded live with those guys, maybe I'll do take profit or something. I just don't like intraday drawdown personally. It's not my favorite style of trading. It doesn't match my style of trading. But it's great for people with scalp, quick traders in and out. Very good. Take profit trader is great. Yeah, you guys done fires and chats. Yep. They only do 5, so not too crazy. Yeah, that's not too bad. Subscribe and type TPT, guys. Sub to the channel. We'll go. All right, I'm giving away 150K accounts. 2 of them. 2 of them. They always give me a big batch of 50K accounts, so I'm going to go out there and get you guys 150K. This is the big ones, the big dogs. So don't go screw these up. Don't go out there and blow them up, whoever wins these. Okay? Take them seriously. Have fun. Dan Better. You're killing on evals and getting smoked on the funded. I know, Keith. It's once you get to trailing, it's hard, man. All right, Don. Good, congratulations, bud. You got to type something in chat to get your prize. Type something. Rocket scooter emojis. The only thing you need. The more shit on your screen, the better you do. He's on the toilet right now. Why is Apex not my top? Apex is good, Yuli. I think that it's just like there's... I only have capacity. So Bestie 1, number 2. You're the next winner. I only have capacity to like work with so many firms. Here's an example. Like for you guys, you're like, what's a good firm? And I can't just say, well, I've got 20 of them. They're all great. Right? For me, I want to have a selection for each type of traders. And I think I've narrowed it down to like 5 or 6 different types. So I say I'm going to keep it limited to 6 total. There's a reason for each of the firms. Like Tradeify is a great straight to funded program. ETF is a great static. My Funded Futures is the best end of the day out there. FundedNext is uncapped payouts. Take Profit is daily payouts. So there's a reason for each one of them. And Apex really doesn't have a reason to be. It's just your traditional trailing drawdown account. And Take Profit, I believe, is better because it's only intraday at funded side. And it's not Bestie One, type something in chat. Take Profit is better than Apex, right? So, in my opinion, and so therefore, I would like if I had 2 different things side by side and one was obviously better, there'd be no reason for me to work with the other one because I'm not doing a service to that brand and vice versa. Like somebody is asking me, you know, hey, can you work with my firm? And I'm like, well, I really can't place you because you have end of the day drawdowns, and my Funded Futures is better. You have a better account. I can't sell your account. Nobody will buy it next to a better product. So for me, with you guys, it's like Apex and Take Profit are like in the same category, and Take Profit clearly is like the better one. So there's no reason to have redundancy there. You guys don't even use Apex. So I need to find something that has meaning, so has a reason to be there. Like something that's good, right? Has a reason to be there. All right, winner. Did you type? Did you say something? I don't think they said anything. Did they say anything? I didn't see anything. Right. There's a million firms out there and they're like, hey, we'd love to work with you. Oh shit, I just cleared out the list. My bad. All right, you guys, type TPT again. I'm such an idiot. All right, y'all got to type it in again. I'm fired. So now I'm kind of like wondering what would be a good firm to work with. Tradeify, ETF, Take Profit, Funded Futures, FundedNext, and then one more. I'll still have an Apex code. Don't think I'm gonna get rid of the code. The code will be there, but it won't be like featured on my stream. You never hear me talking about Apex because I always talk about Take Profit. It's the better option, I feel like. But Apex is still great. Nothing wrong with it. But I can tell from you guys, y'all don't really use the code a lot, so. We got to find out what a good firm would be and why. And everybody has a good firm recommendation, but what makes somebody stand out? It needs to have a unique product or something unique and different. So each one has a different reason, right? Like an example, Tradeify has a great program. Straight to Funded is like their best program. Tradeify Growth, good, very similar. My Funded Futures. Better. So I never really like to tell you guys check out Tradeify Growth because obviously you'll know My Funded has a better product. So they're good. One of them's good at one thing, one of them's good at another. So you guys would see right through anybody trying to tell you something that was crap, you know. So I really focus on the highlight of the particular product. And like ETF has a fast track, but there's no way it's even in the same league as Take Profit's test account. So, you know, it's kind of like they're all good for different reasons. The only ones that are similar are My Funded Futures and FundedNext, but they're 2 totally different ones. Different styles, different reasons. My Funded Futures is focusing on the no DLL, no consistency, but payout cap. FundedNext is focusing on the no DLL, but consistency, but uncapped payouts. So two totally different styles, which is why it makes sense to have them side by side. Which one do you want? You know, my Funded Futures is for like strong, steady payouts. FundedNext is like, I want to swing for a grand slam and get a big fat payout. All right, spinning the wheel one more time. What's your MFF code? Rocket Scooter. Yeah, you have to type it in with one rocket, not rocket. Rocket Scooter at the top. One word. Pickle teaches effects. That doesn't sound like a real account, but that's hilarious. Is that really? Is that just a funny account because of my pickle, or is that really who you are? That is hilarious because Pickle's the name of my dog. Bro, that's awesome. I thought, because a lot of people here make joke accounts just to be funny. Pickle actually wins. My dog actually wins. That's hilarious, dude. Nah, he's a real account. He's got videos from a year, so there you go. Tommy Pickles, I love it. Congrats, you two. All right, here's what you guys got to do. Go to my, you guys win 150K accounts, $360 prize. Go to my Discord, go to the Constance channel, look at our admin Slacks, send him a message, take a picture of your YouTube ID from inside your account. He's going to confirm with the show that you're who you say you are. And then he'll get you your account. You got to have an account already with Take Profit. He'll give you the instructions on how to claim the prize. Congratulations, you guys. We'll do another one in a little bit. Hang tight. Hang tight. 150Ks are good. Those are the expensive ones. You guys are going to enjoy that. All right. We'll do something else in a little bit. Let's focus. Cat Active, doing nothing on the trade. That was a damn good song.
Wake up and know. Wake up and down, the markets are calling. Rocket scooters got his screens all bright while retail traders keep on falling. He's reading volume like second sight. Charts and candlesticks won't save you now.
That's pretty cool. Pickle teaches FX. I bet he'd be a good trader if he learned trading. Pickle is at obedience school for the next 2 weeks. Teaching him how to not chew up stuff. Not run out the door when we open the door. He'd be a really aggressive trader. Yeah, dachshunds are extremely aggressive dogs. He's aggressive at everything. What are the crown six of the names? I think YouTube has this thing where it's like rewarding top fans. I don't know how you get experience by being the top fan in the channel, but you get it for doing something. Not really sure. He'll be a more disciplined trader. I don't know, because when we left obedience school, there was a person that was getting their dog back, and they were standing outside in front with their dog, trying to teach their dog how to heel. When they said heel, when the dog was so excited to see the owner, the dog was just flipping out. And we were like, oh crap, they just got their dog back, and he's not minding the commands, so we were wondering if Pickle will have the same fate. He probably would beat 99% of the traders out there. You may using the resilience chart side by side. They're pretty close. Oh heck yeah, Gabe, that's nice. Well, I mean, I teach you guys how it works, so I imagine you probably listen pretty well. This is good. Resilience is the one thing that I don't keep under lock and key proprietary. I basically teach you guys exactly what it does in the class, so anybody could probably recreate it. It's clever, right? If you figured out how to make it and it looks very similar, that's cool. I want to kind of check it out. You know what you could do? If it's on TradingView, you can put it behind the paywall on TradingView, and that way it's only for people that buy it. That way it doesn't, like, you know, the code doesn't leak out. That way you keep it yourself. That's what happened when your dog, when you were younger, when he came back, he was like a cage animal release. Yeah, like he's just so excited to get out of whatever prison he was in. Your dog has separation anxiety real bad. Yeah, small dogs, especially like our dog, is definitely like that. Even when IDOC hands to me, like I hold on to him and he like wants to hang out for a second, but then he freaks out because she's not holding him. Got pulled away from their mom too quick, I feel. Oh, that it's a think script. Oh, okay. Let me think about that. Yeah, it's hard to distribute a think script. You were able to write that in ThinkScript? ThinkScript is such a weak coding language. It's really impressive. You don't get a lot of options in ThinkScript to variable handling, and you can't write like complex, analysis. You can't really create arrays. You can't really store information other than like first layer variables and stuff. There's creative ways around it, obviously. Yeah, that's good. I've never explored like hacking through ThinkScript and trying to find better ways to do stuff. ThinkScript is based on an old scripting language called TradeScript. Modulus, I think, was the company that made it. And then everybody sort of copied that TradeScript idea. ThinkScript and some other platforms had it before they started making some of these JavaScript-based languages, kind of like PineScript. A little bit more modern. Rocket Scooter has RocketScript, which is kind of like PineScript in a way. It's JavaScript-based. No boot camp today because I gotta go back to the dentist. AI is crazy, yeah. That's cool that it can write ThinkScript stuff. Give them a life-size IDOC. Cut out to help with the training. That would be fun, right? That'd be hilarious. Where are we going? Unfortunately, it's not looking too good. The fact that we didn't get any rebound off of MHP and the market's still pulling back, that's looking kind of bad. Is my Discord closed? Not all of it is. Some of it's open, but the chat rooms are closed to the public, just to keep out like scammers and stuff. So Jake is asking, somebody explain the monthly fee for TPT. How does that work? Yeah, Gabe, as long as like what you share is in the Discord behind like the role allowances, I think it's totally fine. Like in the member creation channel, just not in the public areas of Discord. So like there's a member made tools section, you can share something there. If you need your own channel, you want to post something there. Oh, for that ThinkScript thing, or for Thinkorswim. We could probably make a separate channel, because if you were to do like a daily post or something. This is appropriate time for bear market blues.
charts were looking mean. That big old red candle.
The market was like this every day you would quit. Oh yeah. Not the best market. I'll be right back, you guys. We'll do another giveaway in a little bit. We have 550. Don't go anywhere. We got some FundedNext accounts to give away, like we do every day.
A bitter pill. We're buying every dip. That's the way we pray. But this time the floor's gone and it's running away. I got those bear market blues and they're hitting hard today. Prices falling faster than my stops can run away. Rocket Scooter says, don't you fear, just play it smart and true. But Lord, this downtrend's giving me the bear market blues. It's a waterfall moment, and the bids ain't there. Every buyer vanished, just empty air. Rocket Scooter mad hums a quiet prayer while I'm watching my game disappear somewhere. I got those bear market blues, and they're hitting hard today. Prices falling faster than my stops can run away. Rocket Scooter says, don't you fear, just play it smart and true. But Lord, this downtrend's giving me the bear market blues. Just can't shake these bear market blues.
How we doing? Market's going nowhere. Whale, whale, whale. We needed the Rock Scooter Blues. Yep. Down, down, down. We look at the S&P and see where we are here. Nothing nearby. We had some zone attempt bounces, but nothing's holding today. Pretty good to kind of be on the sidelines now. Kind of happy that the day could have been much worse, and I did not have a losing day. That's good. I can't complain. Bum, 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 bum. All right, I got to go in like 25 minutes. So in a little bit, I'll throw you guys some FundedNext accounts before I get out of here. Let Discord know. No boot camp today. Today is the monthly maps class. Free pickle, lol. The one thing TPT has over Apex is you can reset funded accounts 3 times. Oh, yeah, that's right. You can. It's expensive, though, to reset a funded account, right? It's not like it's like you're just paying. It's the cost of a straight to fund, if you guys think about it, right? Like straight to funded accounts are gradually, or like generally more expensive. So, my Tradeify straight to fundeds are like $700 before the discount. So resetting a funded account is almost like just buying a straight to funded. Doesn't make sense. 1,500 for 150K. Dang. Do we get a discount on resets like with the Rocket Scooter code though? You get a discount for it though, right? So resetting a funded is just like buying a straight to funded. They will be expensive, yeah? No discount? Oh, damn. 645 for 50K. That's in the ballpark of Tradeify's straight to funded accounts. Buying them straight up. Play a dentist song. All right. Okay. They had to break all my procedures down to like 3 different dentist appointments. because because I have to stream all day. I can't sit there for like 3 hours at a time. I have to go for like an hour at a time. It's crazy. Or an hour to an hour and a half at a time, whatever they can squeeze me in at the end of the day. Matt goes to the dentist song. So cat active line also extends to 6412 on the S&P. Anything below here, it gets crazy, but there's about an hour left in the market, so who knows where we're gonna end up. But this is a good time. You know, the rule he teaches when cat is active, sit out. Let the market just have days like this. Just be glad you didn't blow up. You know, predicting a short or predicting a long from here is just gonna be more of a headache than anything. Look at S&P over the last this morning. Pretty nice.
He's got a bounce, dentist trip, no cap. Gonna polish that P&L, shine that gap. Drill the drawdowns, floss the loss. Matt's teeth clean, bears get tossed. Spit the bears, rinse, repeat. Bear top numb, bull run sweet. UVXC open wide. Cavity check, no downside. Paid his humility tax, now he's pearly and mean.
Humility tax.
Clean, keep those pivots pristine. He's got a bounce, dentist trip, no cap. Gonna polish that P&L, shine that gap. Drill the drawdowns, floss the loss. Matt's teeth clean, bears get tossed. Bit the bears, rinse, repeat. Bear top numb, bull run sweet. UVXC open wide. Cavity check, no downside. Paid his humility tax, now he's pearly and mean. Catch you after the clean, keep those pivots pristine. He's got a bounce, dentist trip, no cap. Gonna polish that P&L, shine that gap. Drill the drawdowns, floss the loss. Matt's teeth clean, bears get tossed. Slur.
So S&P is pulled back to there. There's the Matt goes to the dentist song. And 6423. MHP bounce a second time. Is lightning going to strike twice in the same place? What do y'all think? Let's go. It's almost certain to overshoot now. Oh yeah, this is what we talk about resilience class. Ready? Watch, watch, watch. We tapped it the first time with monthly res at 8.4. We're tapping again with less of a monthly res. It's a worse condition. So probability that it bounces above here is low because res is in a worse spot. We taught you guys in the bootcamp yesterday this, right? So on subsequent bounces, you can gauge the strength of the indicator by here, better, here, worse. So if you didn't want a long here the first time, you sure damn sure don't want a long the second time. Doesn't mean it's going to break. It just means the probability is less. Unless it gets up here, you know that you're going to be limited to, at best, that high. So your reward to risk is no better than that. So what it tells me is that we didn't make it there the first time. It's very unlikely to make it there the second time. So we're not going to ever break out of the catalyst by the end of the day. We're going to be down here the whole day. So that makes a little sense. So this is 25K rapid accounts with FundedNext. You guys know the rapid account's very good. Quick scaling plan. 1 day to pass, 3 days to pay out, 40% consistency, or 3 days minimum to pay out. It's a pretty good plan. It's a very, very cheap plan. That's why I like it. Cheap. No DLL, no consistency when funded, which is, I'm sorry, no DLL and 40% consistency when funded. No consistency or DLL in the eval side. So it's 4 days to pay out from start to finish, and uncapped payouts after you get past all your payout tiers. I'm sorry, I was looking at the S&P resilience, but same thing in NASDAQ. This is from straight up from the class, right? So when you saw it bounce here the first time, it could still bounce here the second time, but your brain should say, oh, it's not going to rally up here today. So if your hopes are we're going to rally up, you have fewer stocks, more stocks breaking monthly hedge pressure, less market cap pushing higher. So the odds are very small that it actually goes higher than the previous bounce. And that's how resilience is used. And I tell you guys, you're going to use it like a Swiss Army knife. You can do a million things with it. Doesn't mean it can't rally. Doesn't mean you couldn't take a long if you were deciding to trade, if you weren't trading or whatever. It doesn't mean I'm going to short the market either. It just means I'm going to size down if I did even further, and then also limit my profit target due to the fact that the waves are a way to see that. So probability is very low that it bounces and rallies. Even now, it might even find lower lows in the close, right? Super clean, super easy. All right, spinning the wheel in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dump it. Go. Rocket scooter emojis, the only thing you need. For one easy payment of what, $5,000 a pop. Because the more shit on your screen, the better you do. Boba Jum. Winner number one, type something in chat. Awesome. One more winner coming up. In about 15 minutes, I'm gonna have to go early. I hate cutting the stream out, you guys, but there are no trades to take. Irrational market being stupid. It's all right. Good chance to sit down and do nothing. TEA 388, you guys know the drill. Winners, type something in chat. Go to our Discord. Go to the contest channel. Look up our admin slacks. Say hello. Introduce yourselves. Show them a picture of your YouTube ID from inside your account. That way we know that it's you. Have an account with FundedNext already. He will hook you up with these accounts. It's a great program. These rapid accounts are really good. Get you in the program. You guys can check it out. Play the FundedNext accounts for free. You guys will have fun with it. Yeah, type something. Gotta type something to claim your prize. It's probably gonna flush by the end of the day, guys. I don't think we're gonna get a rally, but I wouldn't be shorting it either. Like, you know, they didn't say anything, did they? I didn't see it. Did they say anything? They said something. It registered? That's so weird because it didn't show up on the thing whenever I did it. All right, never mind. You don't win. Whoever just rolled, that doesn't count then. Okay. They did. Okay, there you are, T. It's weird because it doesn't show up on here. I didn't see it. I don't know what that is. All right, well, we're done. Congrats to the winners, you guys. We'll have some more giveaways tomorrow. This is really fun. Those of you, make sure you go message Slacks. We should be good. Oh, I don't have all chat turned on. My bad. My bad. That's why I didn't see it. Okay. Cool, guys. Good deal. Good deal. My bad. Does the delay mess with it? I don't know what it does, but whenever it goes, the timer goes to 0 and it doesn't, the name doesn't show up until I spin the wheel, then it shows up. I don't know. Maybe I'm just an idiot. Dentist at 3, so I got an hour, but it's like 30-minute drive. Get the nitrous, LOL. Slightly Elton John in Matt's Discord. Let's go. Melton John. This is more like less Elton Johnny, and this is more like gospel, like progressive gospel sound. This is like Sunday evening church. Not Sunday morning church, Sunday evening church, where it gets a little wild, you know what I mean? How do you enter giveaways? Just be here every day. We trigger the giveaway at a certain viewer count, and then we kick it out. Every day something different. We get you guys some free accounts to explore some of our prop partners. Kind of nice. Matlin John. No more giveaways today, but you just be here in chat. When I type the prompt, tell you what to type, you type it in and you can enter. Righteous Gemstones, Matt. Yeah. Have I checked out Trade Day? I have not checked out Trade Day. All our indicators are deteriorating. Be careful going into tonight as well. DD ratio is still somewhat on the edge bullish. We should be okay, but let me double check the monthly maps that we're closing out. S&P has broken through today's bear zone, which usually can be a reversal signal, but for tomorrow it's still okay. We still have bull support all the way down in here, so the market can still gracefully trend lower and still find some bullishness, but this is kind of the edge for the next week. So unless we get above the 640 by next week, it's probably gonna be bear wave number 2 like this. QQQ in a slightly worse spot. We are actually breaking through tomorrow's bear zone, and then a little bit of support under here, but it's definitely really deep in the bear pocket for the next week after this. So this could be pretty bad. This can start a wave of bearishness, and we are getting ahead of it. Not dead yet, but it's multi-map is an indication of where we kind of need to be next week. By next week, we need to be up in here by Friday 575, and it's going to take a little bit of a journey to get up there. So this might not be a bounce for tomorrow. This could start something again, and then pop lower. Usually still try to trade higher on the way down if they are pulling down, usually like this. I don't usually take it as like a sign the market's crashing, but we have VIX rollover, and VIX is going to immediately be above the bull bear break point tomorrow, the contango midpoint. So you're going to see a little bit of choppiness in the next maybe couple days of trading, just like today. So y'all be careful. Be careful out there, y'all. You heard good things about Trade Day, but never looked at them. Yeah, we neither. There's so many firms out there, and honestly, it's like they're all pretty decent. you know, a lot of them are pretty decent. I just don't work with them. But anyways, I'll have to check out and see if they're any good. If we have a reason to get a code for them, let me know. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later. I got to get out of here and head on out to the dentist. We have to cut the stream out early, but I will see you guys later. I don't see any of my friends streaming right now, so I would send y'all somewhere, but there's nobody really streaming that I know. But you guys enjoy your afternoon. Just be careful. Market's probably not going to close with a bang or a rally. It's going to just kind of stay lower and probably close lower. So let today be today and get on with it. So we'll see y'all later. How long do I have the boot camp giveaway? No, you have to do it for this session. If you won the boot camp giveaway for this boot camp session, you need to get in on it. It just started back up. So you got to claim it. If you need an extension or you need to claim it like for the next boot camp, you're going to be waiting 2 months before you start over again. But I'll on in. We'll see you guys later. The X giveaway? Yeah, Grok never responded. If Grok doesn't respond by tomorrow, I'm going to just draw random names. Don't let me forget tomorrow, guys. We'll see y'all later.